They're really interesting cars. Fiberglass bodies with a 4-cylinder natural aspirated engine in the rear. Very capable machines. There's just one more LCQ for them as we took 2 drivers from each heat. We have 4 drivers right now. We only have 1 more LCQ, which will fill the field with 2 more drivers, and that makes 6. So 6 drivers in the final of the GRC Lights and 9 cars in the final of the GRC Supercars. This is New Hampshire Motor Speedway, and this is Global Rallycross.
The title sponsor of Global Rallycross in New Hampshire is Silver Star ZXE headlights from Sylvania. Make the night white hot. Roll with our whitest, most stylish lights. Silver Star ZXE headlights from Sylvania.
All right, New Hampshire Speedway, are you ready to see some racing? Here we go, Global Rallycross. We are 10 seconds away, and we are ready to go. Mason Oster, your favorite driver, pick your favorites. Place your bets. Ken Block, Brian Deegan, Nelson McKay Jr., Scott Speed, and Dave Garrett ready to send it here on New Hampshire Motor Speedway for the Sylvania Silver Star ZXE Global Rallycross. Heat 1 of 3. Nelson McKay getting a slow start. As Ken Block, we are wheel. The second first wheel battle here as we saw. Scott Speed scrubbing a wheel, and here comes Nelson McKay bringing up the rear.
Looks pretty deep.
Deegan swings in.